have the point-slope form, and in the bottom we have the slope-intercept form. As you can see, the point-slope form includes 2 points that belong on the Cartesian plane right here. Let me show you. This one is a point, and this one is another point. All right, let me label it point and point. The point-slope form is just if you want to write the equation of a line and you know the slope of the line and a point on the line. This one, this 3 number here, is the slope. And right here in the slope-intercept form, we can see that it's written by the formula y equals mx plus b, in which m is the slope and b gives the y-intercept. And what is the y-intercept? You might be wondering. The y-intercept is the point where a straight line crosses the y-axis of a graph. These two form, when graphed, they look like this, because both are the same points, just written in a different way. It is important to know the definition of the y-intercept, since it's very important when writing the slope-intercept form. Remember that the y-intercept is a point where a straight line crosses the y-axis of a graph. For example, on the graph that we were seeing just a while ago here, the y-intercept would be right here, because this one is the y-axis, all right? So we need to see at what point of the line it crosses exactly on the y-axis. Just like, forget about the x-axis, face this line, all right? The blue line. Here, the point slope, like in this example, it follows always the same formula, that is this one. Y minus y to the 1 equals m x minus x1, all right? This never changes. So here we have the point slope, and what we have to do is change from this thing to this thing, that it's the slope-intercept form, that is y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept form, remember that. Now, to make this, we first have to define which one is the slope. That we know is the 3 right here. So m is 3. And now, which one are the points that we have? We have this one and we have this one. Now, you need to see here that in the formula, the minus here is included, all right? So you have to multiply the signs. Here is a minus and here is a minus. So this minus 7 is actually a positive 7. And this positive 2 is actually a negative 2. And this is the points we already have. Here you need to rewrite the formula. That is going to be y minus 7 equals 3 x plus 2. Now we want to leave the y alone, so